I don't see anything on the calendar, Adam.
Day off! Oh, right!
Freedom!
Sorry, my bad. There is one thing. It's Zuzu's birthday!
What? Zuzu, why didn't you say? Meh, Grooblings don't like celebrating birthdays. And anyway, why would I spend my day off blowing out tiny fires and sticks when I can put out enormous fires in my cool new game, Wild Queen in the Mystic Jungle? Wanna play with me?
It's a hard no from me. And Deb.
Okay, Wild Queen out. You won't escape, Mushroom Minion. Woo! Let's throw a party for Zuzu. What? She just said she didn't like celebrating her birthday. But Adam, Zuzu's never had a birthday party.
She doesn't know what she's missing out on. We have to throw her a party.
It would be rude not to. Let's go. This is super! Okay, that just leaves the present.
Try the lost and found. That's where I always go for presents.
Good idea, Shelby. But what if Zuzu comes in while we're gone? I see you, topiary troll.
Wild Queen! A mushroom minion! It's getting away!
Thank you, strange jungle creature.
Strange? Me? Huh.
Can opener.
What made you smile today?
A conversation opener.
Portal opener.
Quantum Command Realization Headset. I don't know what it means, but it looks like the coolest crown ever.
It's the perfect present. The Wild Queen can be a real queen on her birthday. Yes!